Hello.
Hello,
What is your name?
my name is Philip.
Philip, how are you today?
I'm happy.
How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Okay, let's proceed for my question. Okay, so look at this picture. They are at the beach. And the boy is fishing. Now, my first question for you is that, what is the boy doing?
Swim.
All right, very good. So now, can you run, Philip? Can you run?
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can. All right, so how many fish are there?
2 feet.
Perfect. Now, are there 5 boys in the picture? Yes or no?
No. Yeah. And
Okay, no, there aren't. Okay, what animal is it, Philip?
elephant.
It's an elephant. Perfect. Now, what word starts with letter F?
Food.
Food. Perfect. Now, what can the kangaroo do? What can the kangaroo do? It can?
It can run.
It can jump. All right. So, what are they, Philip? What are they?
They are insects.
Okay, they are insects. So, how many insects are there?
3.
Okay, let's proceed for this one. Do you have a sister, Philip? Yes or no?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. Okay, so Peter is at the shop and there are many fruits, all right? So now, can you show me where is the banana? Show me where is the banana. Perfect. How many apples are there?
2 apples.
Okay, very good. What is the boy doing? Is it drinking or eating?
Juice.
You say drinking or eating. What is the boy doing?
Insect.
Okay, very good. So now, are there 4 cakes in the picture? Are there 4 cakes? Yes or no?
No.
Okay, now how does the girl feel? Is she happy? Is she sad? Is she angry? She is?
She.
Is she happy, sad, angry? Oh, happy. Very good. What food do you like? I like?
I like hamburger.
You like hamburger. How many oranges do you see?
1.
All right, so that's all for tonight. Goodbye and thank you, Philip.
What?
All right.